Vagos want me to rob this rich Ballas member and take all his money. So they hired me to use this boat car to rob him and escape without getting caught by the cops. Hey, you can't be parking there, bruh.
Me? I'm in a traffic stop.
I'm
Anyway,
pushing
my name
P,
is
man.
Officer
You're
Stefan.
You're pushing P? This is kind of an awkward situation. Hey,
Can I get
put your
your
hands
license
up.
and bring-
Nah, you ain't gonna.
Hey, my canine!
Hey, hands up, bro. Sorry. I got you, bro. I got you. Get out the car.
Appreciate it.
Hands up. Get in the car right now. Hey, run your pockets, bro. What you got in your pockets? You got your minigun on you?
Hell yeah, I got my minigun, my pocket
I want that.
minigun.
I want that. How much is it worth?
A little mil.
Just a little mil. Just a little mil. Yeah. What else you got on you, huh?
I got like 50 bands.
50
Got my
bands? You just
new-
carry something light, huh? We got shot at like crazy, bro. You know what? I'm getting sick and tired of you.
Sorry, still.
Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wait.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Oh, my God. Our cop friend's in that helicopter right there. He's going to blow everybody up.
Come on, man.
Damn. All right, we should be good now. I think he killed them all.